Hi there, Fer here of Fernando Atelier Visuals. In this course, you will learn the secrets and techniques on how to make your render look more professional and realistic. Even if you have little to no idea about Photoshop, I will guide you throughout the whole lesson. If you get this course, you will be given a complete Photoshop rendered output file with complete layers for your personal study. You will also be given a collection of texture assets that can be used in this tutorial and for your next project. Whether you are a student, a designer, a licensed professional, or even an architectural visualization enthusiast, if you want to improve your rendering output, then this entire course is for you. So what are you waiting for? Invest in yourself now, improve your skills, enjoy the course, and get all the freebies.